In today's fast-paced world, convenience and efficiency are paramount, especially when it comes to maintaining a healthy lifestyle on the go. Enter the Ninja Blast Max Portable Blender, a compact powerhouse designed to revolutionize how we blend our favorite smoothies and shakes, whether at home, in the office, or on an adventurous getaway. Imagine having the ability to whip up a nutritious drink in seconds, with a device that fits seamlessly into your backpack or gym bag. This portable blender promises not only performance and portability but also a user-friendly experience that aligns perfectly with the demands of modern living. Join me as we delve into the features and capabilities of the Ninja Blast Max, exploring how it stands out in a crowded market of personal blenders. Build quality and design. The moment I unpacked the Ninja Blast Max, I was immediately impressed by its robust construction. The motor base features a premium-grade plastic housing that feels substantial in hand, while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. The thoughtfully designed rubber foot at the base provides excellent stability during operation, effectively preventing any unwanted movement or dancing across the counter. What particularly caught my attention is the water-resistant USB-C charging port, protected by a secure rubber seal that gives me confidence when using it around liquids. The overall design speaks of durability and careful engineering, with smooth edges and seamless transitions between components. The ergonomic design extends to every aspect of the blender. The grip areas are textured for better handling, and the jar locks into the base with a satisfying click that instills confidence. The matte finish not only looks premium but also resists fingerprints and scratches remarkably well, maintaining its aesthetic appeal even after months of regular use. Size and portability. In terms of dimensions, the Ninja Blast Max strikes an ideal balance between capacity and portability. Standing at 10.71 inches tall with a diameter of 3.54 inches, it's remarkably compact considering its capabilities. The weight of 1.74 pounds makes it lighter than most traditional personal blenders, yet it doesn't feel flimsy. I can easily slip it into my gym bag or carry it to work without feeling encumbered. The portability factor is further enhanced by its cylindrical design, which fits perfectly in standard cup holders. The carrying handle is well balanced and comfortable to grip, making it feel like carrying a regular water bottle. This thoughtful design has made it my go-to companion for outdoor activities, travel, and office use. Jar and materials. The jar's construction deserves special attention. Made from high-grade, BPA-free Tritan plastic, it offers excellent durability while maintaining crystal-clear transparency. The innovative ribbed cup structure creates an efficient vortex effect during blending, which I've found particularly effective for breaking down frozen fruits and ice. The 22-ounce capacity hits the sweet spot enough for a substantial smoothie without compromising portability. The built-in crush blade technology features 6 precisely engineered stainless steel blades, arranged in a unique pattern that maximizes contact with ingredients. The blade assembly is permanently fixed to prevent leakage, and the quality of the steel ensures they stay sharp even with regular use. The twist-top lid deserves praise for its secure seal. I've never experienced any leakage, even when carrying it in my bag. The pop-top drinking spout opens smoothly with a simple button press and closes just as securely. Controls and programs. The control interface is a masterclass in simplicity and functionality. The 3 distinct blending modes, blend, crush, and smoothie, each serve specific purposes. The blend mode is perfect for softer ingredients and protein shakes, while the crush mode efficiently handles ice and frozen fruits. The smoothie mode runs through a pre-programmed cycle that alternates between speeds to achieve optimal consistency. The illuminated control panel is both aesthetic and functional. The power button glows steadily when charged and pulsates while charging. The blend button changes color to indicate different modes, making it intuitive to use even in low-light conditions. I particularly appreciate the automatic shut-off feature that prevents overheating and extends the motor's lifespan. Battery life and charging. The 7.4V rechargeable battery system is a standout feature. A single charge consistently delivers 10 to 12 blending cycles, depending on the ingredients and program used. The charging process is straightforward, taking approximately 2 hours for a full charge via the USB-C port. While the proprietary charging cable might seem like a limitation, I appreciate that it's designed specifically for the blender's water-resistant port. The battery performance remains consistent even with challenging ingredients like frozen fruits and ice. The LED indicator provides clear feedback about the remaining battery life, helping me plan my blends accordingly. I've found that keeping it charged after every 3 to 4 uses maintains optimal performance. Performance. The blending capabilities of the Ninja Blast Max have consistently impressed me. Despite its portable nature, it tackles challenging ingredients with surprising efficiency. The motor delivers enough power to crush ice into snow-like consistency and transform frozen fruits into smooth, chunk-free beverages. I've found that layering ingredients properly, liquids first, followed by soft ingredients, and frozen items on top yields the best results. The blender excels at creating various consistencies, from silky smooth protein shakes to perfectly textured frozen drinks. It handles leafy greens without leaving stringy residue and can break down seeds from berries effectively. While it may take a few extra seconds compared to full-sized blenders, the results are consistently satisfactory. Noise level. One of the most pleasant surprises about the Ninja Blast Max is its remarkably quiet operation. The motor housing includes noise-dampening technology that significantly reduces operational sound. This makes it perfect for early morning smoothies or late-night protein shakes without disturbing family members or roommates. Even when crushing ice, the noise level remains notably lower than traditional blenders. Cleaning and maintenance. The cleaning process is refreshingly simple and well thought out. While the jar and lid are dishwasher safe, I typically opt for the self-cleaning feature. Adding warm water with a drop of dish soap and running a quick blend cycle effectively cleans the jar and blades. The permanent blade assembly eliminates the need to disassemble parts for cleaning, reducing the risk of wear and tear. The motor base wipes clean easily with a damp cloth, and the rubber seal around the charging port can be carefully cleaned to prevent debris accumulation. The drinking spout includes a removable silicone seal that can be thoroughly cleaned to maintain hygiene. Regular maintenance is minimal, just keeping the charging port clean and ensuring the jar is properly dried after washing. So, should you buy it? After months of regular use, the Ninja Blast Max portable blender has proven itself as an indispensable tool in my daily routine. Its combination of portability, performance, and thoughtful design features makes it stand out in the crowded portable blender market. While there are minor improvements that could be made, such as a universal charging solution or a slightly modified drinking spout angle, these are minor quibbles in an otherwise excellent product. The included 2-year warranty provides peace of mind, though given the build quality, I doubt I'll need to use it. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, busy professional, or someone who enjoys healthy beverages on the go, this blender offers exceptional value. It's not just a portable alternative to a full-sized blender, it's a capable device that stands on its own merits.